Welcome to our discussion on benefits and risks of real estate investing. In this module, we'll explore the potential advantages and challenges that come with investing in real estate. Benefits of real estate investing. Let's start with the benefits of real estate investing. Real estate offers several advantages that make it an attractive investment choice. Cash flow potential. Real estate investments have the potential to generate regular rental income, providing you with a steady cash flow to support your financial goals. Appreciation and equity buildup. Over time, properties tend to appreciate, allowing you to build equity. This means that not only do you receive rental income, but your investment can also grow in value. Tax advantages. Real estate comes with tax benefits, including deductions for expenses like mortgage interest and property taxes, as well as potential exemptions on capital gains under certain conditions. Diversification in investment portfolio. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio can enhance diversification, spreading risk across different asset classes and potentially reducing overall investment risk. Risks associated with real estate investing. Now let's consider the risks associated with real estate investing. While it offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of the potential challenges. Market fluctuations and economic factors. Real estate values can fluctuate due to changes in economic conditions, affecting the potential for property appreciation. Property management challenges. Managing tenants, maintenance, and unexpected property issues can be demanding and require time and resources. Financing and interest rate risks. Interest rates can impact financing costs and property affordability, potentially affecting your cash flow and return on investment. Legal and regulatory considerations. Real estate transactions involve legal obligations and regulations that must be carefully navigated to ensure compliance and minimize potential legal issues. Thank you for exploring the benefits and risks of real estate investing with us. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to hit the like button to show your support. Feel free to share this knowledge with others who may benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on real estate investing. Your engagement is greatly appreciated.